Hello everyone, we are back with another thrifting adventure. We are looking for some things you can get this year to start your new year off with a refresh. So let's go inside and see what we can find. Hi. In today's video, I'll be sharing 4 thrift ideas for making your space a place you enjoy and love in the new year. And let's get organized and motivated while we're at it. Our first must-have is shelving, and this is something that I definitely see pretty often when I'm going into thrift stores and antique malls. You could for sure find some on Facebook Marketplace, and I like to recommend shelves because, as you guys can see, it's a great way to display decorative objects, but with the goal of getting ourselves organized and just really enjoying either your office space or an area that you want to be productive. I recommend adding some shelves. That way you can keep all of your work items together. School supplies, makeup, whatever it may be, a shelf can help you out with that. Little shelf, green and black, $10. Yeah, that's actually really neat looking. Kind of almost like an Art Deco style. I don't think this shelf is for sale, but this is exactly what I was looking for, like a real wood shelving unit. Our next must-have for refreshing your space in the new year to be more productive and motivated and organized is a desk. So especially if you're working with a desk that you kind of like, not really that into, I recommend getting out there and finding one that you love. Especially if you work from home, this is an essential. Next up are organizing items. Baskets. I always talk about baskets, and I probably will not stop talking about baskets, but they really are so versatile and helpful for organizing and hiding a lot of clutter. I'm also talking about trays, small bins, small boxes, pencil holders. There are so many of these little organizational items out there, and they can really help you get refreshed in your space. Ooh, another nice organizing item. Same with these. I have a couple of these that I love. Vintage book holder, $8. Ooh, this is so pretty, but I do not need another one. Another great basket. I actually have a couple just like this in my daughter's room, and I put her linens in that. Thank you to someone in the comments that told me about this brand of basket. $15. And it looks really nice. I think I just spotted another one. Let's grab it. $20. I think I might have found another one of those baskets. Just kind of guessing because of the coloring. Actually has like a felt bottom, but this is pretty. But I don't know if the actual basket is for sale. It's got some cute little Christmas things inside, but no price, but cute. Something you're always going to find at thrift stores are vases, and this little black vase for $2 is perfect. Fresh flowers in every month or bi-weekly, weekly, however often you want to buy them, but that's versatile. It would match so many things and styles, and just something that can help you enjoy your space. The last item, being a vase, really is just for the aesthetic. It's to give you something pretty to look at that you love. I find that having fresh flowers is just such a mood booster. So who doesn't want to have their mood improved in their home? So that's why I am suggesting get out there, find a vase that you love. I know we all probably have a lot of vases, but do you really love it? Is it something that you found and picked out and something that you can use day after day, season after season? If not, go and get you one of those. All right, we're on Goodwill now, and I already found some good organizing things. We've got some bins, other little bins, and all of this office stuff. Really great for organizing. Here's a couple more bins. $3. Oh, look. For $2, a whiteboard. And you could clean that off, and that would go great in a desk area and help you get organized. And here we have a large selection of vases. So as I was saying, you could go with one that's more your style, versatile color or texture, so that way you could just change out the flowers. Oh, this is very interesting, very glam and cool. Just definitely different. I like that. This is kind of pretty too. We are going to take a look at the furniture section because I was noticing some really nice pieces from far away, so I had to get a closer look. And they did have some desks, and they also had a good amount of shelving. And as you guys will see here soon, someone was bringing out a large bookshelf, and that's actually something that I am looking for. It was two shelving units for $100. So I was hoping to pay a little less than that, but he did inform me that they were, I guess, a very good quality. He looked them up, and anywho, I didn't take them home that day, but look at all of these great options there are, and this is absolutely something that you should look for to get your year started off right, especially if you're feeling like you could use some help with organizing. So I really couldn't find any desks or a lot of shelves here. There were a couple, but taking to my favorite area for organizing, baskets and trays, and really just kind of looking for anything that we can group items into and just help you get yourself organized. Another tip is that you always want to walk down every aisle, because even though this is kind of more sort of like the pots and pans dishware, but right here I'm seeing a lot of these little servers that you could use to help organize more of the bins and bowls. And then look, we find something like this, desk organizers in different styles if you're not into baskets. So you've got your wire, silver, black, metal. So we were lingering around this section to take a picture, and someone just brought out this awesome bookshelf that I have to share because this is exactly what I was looking for. Here is that bookshelf, and there were two for $99. I didn't take anything home with me this time, so I'm going to be continuing my search, but I hope you guys enjoyed these refresh ideas. Subscribe for more videos on thrifting and styling your home with secondhand finds. Happy New Year, and thank you for being here. I will see you guys next time.